Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So most of you people face one common problem, and that is how to get a perfect foundation base. So आप बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा बोलते हो कि हमारा फाउंडेशन जब भी हम लगाते हैं तो वो पैची हो जाता है, ड्राई हो जाता है, हमारा फेस बहुत ज़्यादा वाइट लगता है and so many more problems. So that's completely okay. All you need is right direction. So in this video, I'm gonna share 5 steps with you जिससे आपका foundation base एकदम flawless बनेगा. So I'll also tell you the mistakes that you should avoid while making your base. So video को end तक ज़रूर देखना. And without wasting any time, let's get started.
So guys, step 1 is skincare. Never miss skincare guys, because we always need a clean face in which we do makeup. और अगर आप स्किन केयर मिस करोगे एंड डायरेक्टली फाउंडेशन अप्लाई करोगे तो योर फाउंडेशन रिजल्ट विल बी वेरी अनइवन. सो सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ यूज़ कर रही हूँ क्लेंजर जस्ट टू क्लीन माई फेस प्रॉपरली. तो सबसे पहले हम क्लेंजर लगाएंगे. ऑलवेज यूज अ क्लेंजर that is pH balanced guys. And then toner to minimize your pores. I use Good Vibes toner. This toner is also very amazing. It has no parabens. And then moisturizer. For moisturizer, I use this Pond's Light Moisturizer. If you have dry skin, you can also go for this. This moisturizer is really amazing guys. It has vitamin E and glycerin in it. That will add glow in your skin. This is also good for normal skin type. And then sunscreen guys. For sunscreen I use this Lakme Sun Expert cream. All of these steps are skincare just to prep your skin with nourishment before makeup. And then step 2 is primer. Never miss primer. Foundation will roll smoothly on your face if you apply primer. Avoid choosing a wrong primer guys. Always choose primer according to your skin type. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes before applying foundation. And then foundation step 3. Do not take too much foundation in one go. एंड अगर आप अपने फाउंडेशन में थोड़ा सा इल्यूमिनेटर मिक्स करते हो देन इट विल गिव अ वेरी dewy and subtle radiance. Avoid choosing a wrong foundation. Always choose foundation according to your skin tone. And then apply it all over your face, including neck. For blending, go with the beauty blender. You can also use brush, but if you want good finish, then go with the beauty blender. Guys, do not rub beauty blender, just dab gently. Always use a wet beauty blender. And then step 4 is setting your base. I am setting my base with this Fit Me Loose powder. So just dip your brush. Always remove the excess and dab. This is a very essential step to set your base. And lastly, step 5 is setting spray, just to set your base. It will make your base long lasting. And we are done. You can clearly see guys that my foundation doesn't even look patchy and is not cakey. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Do like and share and subscribe to my channel. It will encourage me to make more such videos for you all. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.